one time, please. Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. My name is Naturally DCA, and in today's video we are going to boost our immune system against this coronavirus, and we are going to use beetroot and ginger. But before we get into the video, please, if this is your first time watching my video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to be notified whenever there is a new update. And if you are the type you like doing things yourself, I think that's the right channel for you to subscribe and watch how to do things for yourself. As we are using sanitizers to prevent this COVID-19, we can also boost our immune system to prevent any virus such as this COVID-19 that comes in contact with our body. So we have beetroot and ginger. Beetroot is a good source of vitamin C. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps boost your immune system and also protects the cells from damaging free radical. It also supports collagen production, wound healing, and iron absorption, as they are produced with vitamin C, folate, that is vitamin B9, potassium, iron, and magnesium. It's really good for our immune system. And when we come to ginger is a strong antioxidant that has been shown to naturally boost the immune system. Ginger helps the cells, viruses, and has been said to combat with chills and fever. It's also great for detox. All right, so let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to need a blender for this and a glass of water. So I've really washed them, so I'm going ahead to cut my ginger into pieces into the blender first, and then, as you can see, so I'm going ahead to peel. You have to be careful because with the beetroot, I'm going ahead to be cut this off. Please don't mind the noise on the background. It's early morning and people are just doing things for themselves. That's my neighborhood. Okay, and I'm free to go. So I'm going to cut my beet into pieces. It's really full of color. The only side effect you have from the beetroot is your stool or your urination becomes red. So cutting them into pieces. As you can see, I'm done. So I'm picking them into my blender. Wow, so full of color. That's beautiful. So I'm going ahead to add my glass of water. Then cover it. I'll be back when I'm done with the blending. Now I am ready with my beetroot juice, the strainer, and also something that I'm going to strain the beetroot into. So please make sure you allow it to blend for it to be pure. I made it a little bit washy, but trust me, we are going to boot our system with this strong immune system booster. Now I'm going to transfer it into my glass. So the stage that we have gotten to is optional. To make it sweet a little, I'm going to add honey to it. Just have a look at the amount of honey that I'm using. Wow, that's so great. Wow. Add the rest. All right, so let's enjoy this drink together. Hey guys, my juice is ready. So please don't forget to stay safe, quarantine yourself, and also please wash your hands properly as soon as you can. If you get access to running water and soap, just use hand sanitizer. Tons of videos that I've made that you can watch and learn how to make your own hand sanitizer, even if you are not getting access to it. So please don't forget to stay safe, and please go by the self-quarantine, please. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share it to your friends.